I used to wake up dreading the sound of my alarm clock. My day job, although stable, never fulfilled me. The idea of working 40-plus years just to retire and finally enjoy life made no sense. That constant cycle of living paycheck to paycheck, feeling mentally drained and still being broke at the end of the month, pushed me to search for alternatives. Like many people, I wanted more time, more freedom, more control over my life. During the COVID-19 lockdowns, I stumbled upon YouTube, videos and Reddit threads discussing passive income. Most of it seemed like hype crypto, affiliate marketing, NFTs. But one method kept popping up that made sense to me. Dropshipping. What is passive income, and is it real? Passive income is money earned with minimal effort after the initial setup. Unlike active income, which demands your time, think hourly jobs, passive income allows you to earn while you sleep. However, calling it 100% passive is misleading. Nothing is truly hands-off. Instead, you build systems that work for you. Dropshipping seems like a middle ground, low upfront cost, no inventory and scalability. Introduction to dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products without stocking them. When someone orders from your online store, the order goes directly to your supplier, who ships it to the customer. You never handle the product physically. What attracted me most was that I could start from my laptop, with minimal capital, and test different products without committing to bulk orders. The evolution of dropshipping. 2024 to 2025 dropshipping used to be about finding products on AliExpress and selling them at 2 to 3x the price. That worked back in 2017. But by 2025, consumer expectations have evolved. People now want faster shipping, higher quality, and trustworthy branding. Platforms like Zindrop and Dropshipping offer quicker shipping, better product photos, and even branding options. TikTok has become the king of organic marketing. UGC, user-generated content, now drives most of the sales. My mindset shift: I was scared to start. Analysis paralysis hit hard. But the only way to learn was by doing. I gave myself a deadline. 30 days to launch my first store no matter what. I watched free content, bought a $29 Shopify plan, and set up shop. Chapter 2. Laying the foundation. Niche. Product and supplier niche hunting. What people actually want. My first mistake was trying to sell to everyone. It didn't work. A niche helps you target specific audiences. I looked for products that triggered emotion, either by solving a problem or providing joy. My criteria: evergreen or trending, solves a problem, priced. It's under $40 for impulse buys. Wow, factor product research like a pro. I use tools like TikTok, Creative Center to see viral trends and movers and shakers to track what's rising fast, Manea and Dropshipping to spy on competitor Azala Shark for AliExpress trends. I also just typed TikTok made me buy it and scrolled for hours. Eventually, I found a portable pet hair remover that was getting millions of views on TikTok. Supplier selection updated 2025. AliExpress was my first stop, but long shipping times were killing conversions. I shifted to Dropshipping, which allowed 5 to 10 days shipping, branded packaging, faster tracking, update tips. For selecting suppliers, talk to them, ask for product photos, read reviews. Pricing strategy that actually works. Priced my product at $24.99 when it cost me $5. I use pricing tricks. Charm pricing 99 cents instead of 0.00, bundling by 2. Get one free shipping over $1.30. How I validated my product before launching. I asked Reddit Dropship for feedback, created a TikTok, and posted 5 short videos, sent the product to a friend for a review video. The response: promising. I got my first to sales organically. Chapter 3. Building your store design. Setup and branding. Choosing the right platform. Shopify was a no-brainer. It had all the tools, themes, and integrations I needed. I considered WooCommerce, more control but harder setup, Wix easy but limited scaling. I chose Shopify for one-click app installs, 24/7 support, integration with dropshipping tools store. Setup, steps. I followed. Bought a .com domain via Shopify. Installed a clean theme. Debutify setup, legal pages. Refund. Privacy, T, and C installed apps. Luke's Reviews D Sears supplier connection sticky add to cart branding. That converts my store name. Paul Look's logo. Created using Canva colors, soft blue and white, trust and cleanliness. Font. Montserrat, easy to read. I created a full brand guide. Tone. Language. Visuals product page that sells my product page had scroll stopping headline explicable GIFs, social proof screenshots plus Luke's FAC plus satisfaction. Guarantee limited stock urgency mobile first optimization 80% of visitors came from mobile. Used Pagefly to customize mobile views Peed Booster for loading times tiny pin G. To compress images I constantly A/B tested my layout. Version B. Cleaner, faster, increased conversion by 28%. Chapter 4. Getting sales, TikTok organic. Paid ads and scaling the power of TikTok organic 2025 update. My entire strategy was built on TikTok. Step-by-step, created a new account, posted 3 by day. Reviews, demos, reaction zoos, trending audio, plus relevant hashtags, filmed with iPhone plus natural lighting. My 7th video went semi-viral, for 7K views, got 17 orders that day alone, running paid ads, Meta, TikTok and Google after validation. I ran Facebook ads for retargeting abandoned carts, TikTok ads to scale viral winners, Google performance. Max to capture search intent ad tips. Always start with 3 creativist broad interest first kill losing ad sets. Fast email marketing and retargeting, installed Klaviyo and setup. Abandoned cart floast thank you email with upsell affair engagement after 7 days also. Used SMS bump to send SMS offers with consent customer service. Without the headache set up. Zendesk for emails. VA, virtual assistant from onlinejobs.ph I offered. 30-day returns, fast replies within 2 for HKling to $10,000 plus month. What worked? Posting 5 buy per day on TikTok, hiring a video editor on Fiverr, outsourcing fulfillment. 2 side dropshipping, completely expanding to influencers plus paid ads mistakes. I chose a bad product initialite and test enough creative nerd. Mobile optimization at first waited too long to retarget final thoughts. It's not magic, it's method you can start today. It won't be perfect, but done is better than perfect. Stay consistent, learn from failure, optimize daily. Passive income is possible, but only if you treat it like a real business.